Now let's open my Trust wallet and check everything over.
Refreshing the page, and look, it's here.
Hey, my dear friends, and in this video, I want to show you how you can actually make real money with free crypto and just, earn in general. So we've got this official website, valuesecondbybit.com, and yeah, you can make money on it for free. I'm going to go ahead and register right away.
So I'm typing in my email. Yeah, now I'm entering the password, which I'm not telling you, obviously. Confirming it and hitting create account. All right, got to pass a CAPTCHA. What do they want here? I don't get it at all. Let me just try this. Clicking, and nope, didn't work. Now I have to, connect the snake? Okay, fine. We'll connect the little snake, no problem. And, there we go. It worked. Awesome. I'm so happy. Now I'm entering the promo code right here, BYBITJOB. And look, it's green, which means everything went through and everything's perfect. All right, let's go in and check my wallet. And yeah, look at that. $28,000 on the balance. $28,684. That's awesome. It just feels so good seeing 0.3 Bitcoin sitting there. Now, the important part, withdrawing. Okay, now I pick Bitcoin. I need to paste my Bitcoin address. I'm copying it. Now pasting it right here, hitting max amount and withdraw. Kind of taking a while. What's this? To withdraw funds to a third-party address, you need to activate your account. To activate your account, make a deposit of 0.0008 BTC. This amount can be withdrawn after activation. Well, that actually sounds pretty normal, like the deposit is just verification. All right, let's try it. I'm doing everything live right here for you. I'm waiting for the wallet. Where is it? There it is. It popped up. All right, I'm going to copy it, opening my Trust wallet, hitting send, choosing Bitcoin, pasting the wallet, and amount 0.0008 BTC. Confirming, and yep, there it is. The transaction, everything's perfect, everything's sent, everything's just bomb. Now I'm going back to the site to check if the deposit went through, and yeah, I can already see the 0.008 credited. Right here, it shows the account is confirmed, and yeah, that makes me pretty happy.
Let me show you the transactions too. Where are they? Here's the wallet, and everything looks perfect. Everything came through. Now I'm going back into my wallet, and I'm going to withdraw. I pick Bitcoin here. I need a Bitcoin address, copying it, pasting it, and withdraw. Oh, it worked. Awesome. Balance is $0 now. Let me hop in here too. Yeah, you can see everything, my deposit and my withdrawal. Now let's open my Trust wallet and check everything over.
All right, I'm in my Trust wallet now, refreshing the page, and look, it's here. Everything came in, everything credited, sitting right on the balance, and wow, that just gets me so hyped. This beautiful transfer, everything actually works. I'm giving the site a big like.